Welcome to English via AI. Imagine a boy in a small village. He lives in a country far away. His home has no toilet inside. Money is short, but this boy has a huge dream. A dream so big that people laugh at him. He wants to leave his small town. He wants to go to America. He wants to become the best in the world. And not just once. He will succeed again and again in 3 different lives. He will become a champion, then a movie star, then a leader. This is the story of Arnold Schwarzenegger. Arnold Schwarzenegger was born on July 30th, 1947, in a small village in Austria. His country was still recovering from war. Life was hard. Money was short for many families. His home was simple. There was no running water at all. There were few comforts. His father was strict. He was often tough on Arnold. Love was not shown easily in the home. As a boy, Arnold felt he did not fit in. His small village felt too small for him. He dreamed of a bigger life. He looked at pictures of America. He imagined a future far away. Then, one day, he found something that lit a fire inside him. Bodybuilding. He saw strong men in magazines. He saw a path. He saw a dream he could chase, and Arnold decided he would be the best in the world. Young Arnold fell in love with training. He went to the gym every day. He lifted heavy weights. He trained harder than anyone else. Even when the gym was closed, he found a way to train. His dream was clear. He wanted to become a champion bodybuilder. He wanted to have the best body in the world. Many people did not understand him. Bodybuilding was not popular then. Some people laughed at his dream. But Arnold did not care. He believed in his vision. He had total focus. He trained his body, but he also trained his mind. He pictured his success again and again. Step by step, he grew stronger. He grew bigger. He began to win competitions. His hard work was paying off. His dream was becoming real. And soon, the world of bodybuilding would know his name. Arnold's talent was too big to hide. He began to win the top titles in bodybuilding. He won the most famous title many times. He became known as the greatest bodybuilder in the world. He had the perfect mix: a powerful body, a sharp mind, and a big personality. He was not just strong. He was confident and charming. People wanted to watch him. He also moved to the United States. This was his childhood dream come true. In America, he found more chances. He worked hard. He also studied business and made smart choices with money. Arnold became a symbol of the sport. He helped make bodybuilding popular around the world. He had reached the very top of his first dream. But Arnold was not finished. He wanted something completely new. He set his eyes on Hollywood. Arnold now had a new dream. He wanted to be a movie star, but many people said it was impossible. They said his body was too big. They said his name was too hard to say. They said his accent was too strong. Door after door closed. The experts told him no, but Arnold had heard no before, and he never let it stop him. He believed his differences could be his strengths. His size and his accent could make him special. He kept trying. He took small roles at first. He learned the craft of acting. He worked on his English. He worked on his skills. He never lost his confidence. Then, one role changed everything. It was a role that fit him perfectly. A powerful, unstoppable character was about to make him famous. In 1984, Arnold starred in a film called The Terminator. He played a powerful machine. The role was perfect for him. He did not need many words. He needed a strong presence. And Arnold had that in full. The film was a huge success. Suddenly, Arnold was a movie star. He went on to make many action films. He became one of the biggest stars in the world. The things people once mocked became his trademark. His accent, his size, his famous lines. He turned his weaknesses into his greatest strengths. For years, Arnold ruled the action world. His movies made a lot of money. His face was known everywhere. The boy from the small Austrian village was now a global icon. He had conquered his second dream. But there was still one more mountain to climb. Arnold had conquered sports. He had conquered movies. Now he wanted to serve people. He decided to enter politics. This surprised many people. It was a bold and unusual move. In 2003, he ran for governor of California. California is one of the biggest and most important states in America. Many people doubted him. He was an actor, not a politician. But Arnold believed he could lead. And he won. Arnold Schwarzenegger became the governor of California. The boy who came from nothing was now a powerful leader. He served for several years. He worked on many issues. He faced hard challenges, just like everyone in politics. It was his third great success, in a completely different field. Very few people succeed in one career. Arnold succeeded in 3. Arnold's life was full of success. But it was not perfect. No life is. He faced failures too. Some of his films did not work. Some of his choices were criticized. He also faced hard times in his personal life. Fame and power bring pressure and pain. But Arnold always kept moving forward. He did not stay down. He learned and adapted. He is known for his strong will. When one thing ended, he found a new goal. This is a key part of his story. He faced difficulty, but he never lost his drive. He kept his sense of humor. He kept his focus. He kept setting new dreams. His energy seemed impossible to stop. And even after politics, he found new ways to inspire people. Arnold Schwarzenegger is still active today. He continues to make films and share his ideas. His journey is truly remarkable. He rose from a poor village in Austria to worldwide fame. His legacy is about more than muscles or movies. It is about the power of a clear vision. He showed that big dreams are possible. He showed that no is not the end. He also became a role model for hard work. He always says that success comes from effort and focus. He turned his weaknesses into strengths again and again. His accent, his size, his background, he used them all. Young people around the world look up to him. His story gives them courage. It makes them believe. His name is now known across the globe, and his story still inspires people every day. So, what can we learn from the life of Arnold Schwarzenegger? His story carries powerful lessons. The first lesson is about vision. Arnold always had a clear dream. He knew exactly what he wanted. The second lesson is about hard work. Nothing came easy. He trained his body, his mind, and his skills for years. The third lesson is about ignoring the doubters. Many people said no, but he never let them stop him. The fourth lesson is about reinvention. He did not stay in one field. He built 3 different careers. Arnold Schwarzenegger's life reminds us of something simple but powerful. A clear vision plus hard work can change your whole life. With focus and effort, you can turn even the biggest dream into reality. Vocabulary, meanings and examples from the story. Village, a very small town in the countryside. Example, Arnold Schwarzenegger was born in a small village in Austria. Strict, firm, and demanding about rules. Example, his father was strict. Bodybuilding, the sport of building strong, big muscles. Example, then, one day, he found something that lit a fire inside him. Bodybuilding. Champion, the person who wins the top prize. Example, he wanted to become a champion bodybuilder. Confident, sure of yourself and your abilities. Example, he was confident and charming. Accent, the way someone speaks, showing where they are from. Example, they said his accent was too strong. Trademark, a special feature that makes someone known. Example, the things people once mocked became his trademark. Icon, a very famous and admired person. Example, the boy from the small Austrian village was now a global icon. Politics, the work of governing a country or state. Example, he decided to enter politics. Governor, the leader of a state. Example, Arnold Schwarzenegger became the governor of California. Reinvention, changing yourself into something new. Example, the fourth lesson is about reinvention. Vision, a clear picture of what you want in the future. Example, the first lesson is about vision. Grammar tip, future with going to. We use going to talk about future plans and strong intentions. We form it with am, is, or are, plus going to, plus a verb. Example 1. Arnold decided he was going to be the best in the world. Example 2. He knew he was going to leave his small village. We also use going to when we can see something will happen. Example 3. With this hard work, he is going to succeed. A simple way to remember. Use going to for a plan or an intention about the future. Arnold Schwarzenegger began as a poor boy in a small Austrian village. Through vision, hard work, and courage, he became a global legend. People told him no. They said his dreams were impossible. But he proved them all wrong. He became a champion, a movie star, and a leader. He turned his weaknesses into strengths. So here is a question for you to think about. What is the one big dream you are ready to chase with all your heart? If you enjoyed this story, Please like this video. Share it with a friend who needs to hear it. And comment below with one lesson you will carry with you. Subscribe to English via AI for more real stories that help you learn English, one journey at a time. Keep learning. Keep building.